As you see, my friend, when you say to your broker and your demo account, don't you come like that? Sorry. Anyway, it's going to come like that. When you open it like that, that one of the time I give it to you as an indicator. You just came here to the properties, and then you came here to the color, background. You choose any color you want. Choose the color you want or leave it black. Came to the one bar up. You put it with green. Bar down with red. Bull candle. Bull candles, you put it with green. Bear candles, you put it with red. Then you hit OK. Now I change for you the last thing, that foreground, that one. You change it like that to gray, it doesn't stay white like that. Now you see it like that. Then you came here, you make it like that, you save it, you write it default. Sorry, you write default as you see it here, DEFAULT, like that. You hit or register, because may have one, I don't want to lose it. Then in the future it's okay, let's do it. That default like that is it. Now you default. So now when you want to open any currency, you came here to that one, that market watch, you click at it. Let's say, which one? That one, USD. Swiss franc, you click like that. You click at chart windows. You saw it, it's open. Hereby the colors also we choose. If you don't like that black, you can change it to another color, dependent to you and the colors you like. Maybe change it to that, something more. It's up to you. I think that's not a big deal. And here for see all the pairs, it came to that one. You came here, came to that one, show all. Now over here you're going to have all the pairs, is it here. Let you in the first choose only one currency and start trading with it. I think everything is easy. And now to open our order, we got here, the one is the sell, the one is the buy, it's written about that. And we got here if you want to make a pending order, like you said you want a pending order here, came to that trading, you write like that, buy stop. So you see it is here, is a buy stop. And if you want like here to write sell limit. Now you see everything. You want to put the stop loss of that sell limit, let's say here. Just put, sorry, let me show you that. Just came here to the one, draw a horizontal line, click at it like that, came here. When you came like that, you came to the parameter, that value to copy, or yeah, copy, then came to the one, modify, stop loss here, you do like that, as you see it in the place where we wanted us. To put the take profit, just came a little bit down, or do it manual, that's the first way, like that. Then you choose where to put the take profit, let's say here, then you move it you, or you put it by the second way, put it here like how we showed it to you before, like that. Then you came here to modify, you came here and you click at Ctrl V, Ctrl plus V, then is it here. So everything is easy as you see. Then you do delt like that, delt like that. Everything is came off. I think everything is easy now. Anything here is very clear. You want to know something else, something, if you want to change the language, you came here, you came to the profile, to the view, then here you're going to change the language you want, depend on your language, the language you want. Mine is it with English. I think now everything clear. So see you in another video, my friends. Bye bye for now.